Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In previous lecture, I discussed about the CSV file. In CSV file, we have learnt about how we can write a content in a CSV file and how to read the file as well as how to append the data. In this lecture, I will cover and discuss about the JSON file. JSON file stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data format. Let me take a pen. Lightweight data format commonly used for data exchange between the applications. It is ideal for APIs, application programming interface, and configuration file and structured data storage. The JSON file stores the dataset in a key value pair, similar to the Python dictionary. Similarly, as we have discussed about how we can work with the CSV file, TXT file, we also perform same operation over the JSON file. If you want to write a content and read the content and append the content, first understand if you are writing a content in a JSON file, so you use the json.dump method. JSON, we import the JSON. Python provides the inbuilt module that is JSON. We import them and we use the .dump method that will write the content over the JSON file. And for reading the content, we use the json.load. It stores the dataset in the key value pair. And one interesting fact in a JSON file that is distinguished from the CSV and TXT file, that is appending. What happens in appending? We use the first we read the content, then modified as we do with the dictionary, then we will write the content, all content. Okay, so here we use the mode write mode. Write mode is a mode that will override the content if content already present in the file. If not present file, it will write. And read the content, file must be exist. Here we will use the mode R. In append mode, we will not use the append A mode, but what we do, we will read the content, use the mode R, then we will get the content in a variable, then we will modify the data we want, and we will write the content, means we will override the content. Okay, so we load the all data, all content, all data which are present in JSON file, then we modify, then we'll write again the same file. So let's move to the VS Code where now I will write the Python code. I will explain how to write the content, read the content, and append the content in a JSON file. So let's move to the VS Code where I will implement the uh, functionality of the JSON file. So move to the VS Code. Yeah, let's create the new file. Here I will write JSON file.py. Okay, so first I will import the JSON. As I said earlier, Python provide the inbuilt module JSON. We will import them and I will write the data. Data is stored in the format of key and value. I have to write the dictionary. So I will write here name of a person like Bob and age of a person and 30 and Okay, here comma. Okay, done. Here I will write the city where he live, and I will write the San Francisco. Then I will write the skills sets he has. Let's write in a no, in a list. I write the Python. He knows something about AI. Okay, I write in small letter. Okay, done. So I created the data that will be right in the JSON file. Then I will use the uh, with open command and write the file name. So I will write here output, not output. I will write a JSON data dot JSON. Okay. Then I will write the mode. So what is the mode? Write mode, and I will write the file. Then I will write json.dump. We are writing the content in the output JSON data file. Okay. So I will write the data set we have and file, which, and I will use the indent. First I will show you the how it look like. Okay. Okay, let's run. So file is loaded. It wrote the content, so I have to find out. Yeah. File name is JSON data. JSON data. Okay, yeah, we get. So this file. Okay. So here you will see name is it is stored the data set in the key value pair. This is the key, this is a value, this is a key and value. Similarly for other data, and I have a dictionary format. Okay, so you will see data are not human readable. We can make more readability through using the indent. So I will write here. I don't need to cut the content because it will override the content already. So I will run again. Okay, you will see the, oh yeah. So this is the human readable format. We can read easily. It is a JSON object, and is a name and age and everything. Okay. So we have done how to write a content. So let's see how to read the content. For reading the content, we have to use the json.load. So I will comment, then I will write here with open, and I will open the file. File name is json.data.json. I will write the mode and read mode. We are reading the file. Okay. Then I will write the data, and I will use the json dot load. So the content we load that will be stored in the data. I will write here file. Okay. So let's see the content. Yeah, I will write here data. Okay. So you will see the name, Bob, and age, and corresponding key and values. So we can access the, like, if I want to access the skills of a person, like I will write their data and here I will mention the skill. And okay, I did a spelling mistake, I corrected. Okay, so I will write here skills. So you will get the skills of a Bob. So here you will get the Python AI. Okay, so it is become very easy to handle. It will be easier because we have work on the dictionary. So it store data in the format of key and values. Okay, if you want to access the city where Bob live, so I will see the San Francisco. Okay, so we have understand how to read the JSON file. Let's if I want to update the more information of a person, so how to update them, append them. For that, we need to read the content. After reading content, modify them and update the data, and then write the content in the JSON file. So let's implement these steps. First, I will load the file as I did. So I mentioned the step here. I write the read existing JSON data. Okay, we read the content. So here I am implementing the append method. Append method. So first read the content. Okay, that is the first step. We have to do it. Then after reading the content, suppose I want to add the email of a person. So I mention the email and I will write the random email like. Then I will. So this is the second step. I will write here. Second step, modify the data. Here what we are doing, we are add the content. Add the content. Then after that I will write the content 3 point. Here I will write the updated data back to the JSON file. So for that I will use the with open command. Here we open the file. I will write the file name JSON data.json and mode is write mode. Here append mode will not work in JSON file, but in CSV and TXT file it work. So instead of append mode, we read the content and modify the content as we do with the dictionary and update the content. So we will use the write mode. You are thinking we have a already content in a JSON data file. I will show you. So it will append them. No, it will override the mode write. What they do, they override the content. Whatever content present in the JSON data, it will erase the data. Then it will write the new content. So I will write here as file. After that, I will write the json.dump. Then I will write a data and file in which file I want to save, and I will mention the indent for readability. Okay. So let's see what happened. So in initial file, we don't have a email as a key. So I'm adding the key. I will run. Yeah, it is done. Let's see here. Here you will see that we have a email. Okay. So we have successfully implemented the how to write the content, read the content, and if you want to add more content, so you can also add. In adding, it is different from the CSV and TXT file. In adding the new content, we have to first read the content, all data, and modify data if you want to delete or add the content. And if you want to, after modifying data, we will uh, add the content into the JSON data file. write the content. And then I will show you one thing. I will show you one thing. Like if you have a JSON string, yeah, I will show you some use case of. So I will write the I will write here their age like 12. Okay, and I will convert to the string. Okay, so this is a JSON string. If I want to convert into the dictionary, for that I will use the json.load. So I will use the json.load. I will mention here JSON string and I will print the data. Okay, let's see what output we get. Okay, so here okay, load, instead of load we have a loads. Load is no method, load. So you will see the it is a dictionary, we can work on it. Okay, and if you have a Python dictionary like we have, so we can convert into the JSON data. Like I will show you, we have a JSON data, and I'm going to converting into the JSON string. So I will do json.dump and I will write here data we have and indent and for. Let's see the JSON data. Okay, and I will run. So you will see missing one. Okay, okay. Here I have to write the dumps. Okay, yeah. So we are getting a this is a JSON string. Okay, so in previous I use a dump because we are dumping the one by one. Here we are dumping all of them. That's why you use the dumps. And here also use the load and loads. Okay, and if you have a suppose you have a in this case we have a only one user data, Bob, and their corresponding details. And if you have a multiple users like Charlie and other users having a corresponding details, so how we can do it? For that I will show you. So first I comment this and I will write here. I will write here the users. We have multiple users, so how to save them? So we will make a list here, and I will write the. So I will write the name and their like Bob and their age, and I enter that 30. Then for second user, I will add the same name, and if I want to write the like Charlie, then I will mention the age and I will write here 28 5. Okay, so I want to say we have two user, we can create a multiple user like that. Okay, so I store the user in a list, so I have to save them with open. I will write here uh, JSON data dot JSON, and I will write here mode is W, and I will create the file JSON dot dump. We are dumping the content here, users in a file, and indent is 4. Okay, so let's see how it look like. First, it will override the content and then write the new content. That is saved. So you will see here we have created a list, and we are seeing the multiple for multiple users. So this is a one user, this is second user. Okay, this is a one user and this is a second user. Okay, if you want to read it, so you can mention here read mode, and I will mention here load. Here I will mention file, and I have to mention here data. Okay, then I will print this data. So let's see. So we get the this name Bob and in a list format. If you want to access the like Bob data, so I will write here 0. Then we will get the first index value name. If you want to get the name of the Bob, so I will write here name. Okay. So if you want to save the multiple user in a JSON file, you can save through the list. Okay. And so we have successfully learned the how we can write the content data in a JSON file, and how to read the JSON file, and how to append the data. Okay, through reading the file and modify the file means we are adding or deleting data, and we write the updated data into the JSON file. And we learn how to convert the Python dictionary into the JSON string, and how to convert the JSON string into the Python dictionary. And last, I explain now how to save the if you have a multiple users, if you want to save the multiple user in a JSON file, to how to do that. So I use the list. Within the list, we have a multiple dictionary for a users, and we save the data. So thank you so much, everyone. If you have any query, please leave them in comment section. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in next lecture.